Today I'm going to show you how to make a cute Christmas tree. We're going to use a sugar cone, some green buttercream frosting, and some red buttercream frosting as well. So this is really simple. Now for my little Christmas tree for the green, I'm using a Wilton 22 tip. You can use something a little bit smaller or larger, whatever you like. I'll just get my piping tip ready. You're going to grab your tree, or your cone rather, and then you're just going to start pushing in. Just give it a little push and pull away. Push, pull away. And you want to kind of offset these. So as you go, just go in a random pattern. And you're going to go all the way around the sugar cone like this. So you can see how easy this is. So I'm just holding against the sugar cone and giving it a little bit of a push. So I've zoomed in a little bit. Hopefully you can see this a little bit better. So I'm just going to give a little squeeze and pull away. Squeeze. And I'm actually pushing against the sugar cone, so push. And you can use any kind of frosting that you like. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit more till I'm almost finished, and then I'll come back. And then I'm going to start filling in just on the top. Okay, one more in here. And then right on the top, a little bit of a squeeze, and there we have the top. Doesn't that look nice? So what I have here are some little stars, and those are made out of candy melts. And I started off by taking candy melts, I melted it, put it on a piece of plastic, and I just spread it out, and then I cut it with a very tiny fondant star cutter. And you always want to make a few extra than you actually need in case one breaks. And then I'm just going to grab that and just pop that right down in the middle. And there we have it. And then at this point, if you want to continue, you can add different colors in. I've got red here. We could do some red. We can do yellow. You can add little silver balls if you wish. So then I'm just going to grab the red. And this is optional. And then I'm just going to start doing little balls. So all the way around. And any color will do. So I'll keep going at this. I'll come back in a second or so. So I think that looks pretty good. And there we have it. Super easy. If you have children, make sure you try this with them. Makes it all that much better. So I hope you enjoyed my really fast video. That's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time.